Hello everyone, Jonas here from Altezza Travel, and today we're going to answer one of the most frequent questions. Is Kilimanjaro a difficult mountain to climb? So without further ado, let's dive in. Some people may think that Kilimanjaro is for the hardened mountaineers only. It is not. In reality, it is quite approachable, even for those with average fitness levels. You won't be needing any specialized mountain climbing gear like ropes or ice axes. Essentially, this journey consists of high altitude trekking. And don't worry if you're not a seasoned climber. For most of our clients, Kilimanjaro is the first serious mountain they attempt to summit. To give you a simple gauge to understand if you are physically capable of tackling Mount Kilimanjaro, ask yourself if you could run 10 kilometers in an hour. If you can manage this, then your fitness level is absolutely sufficient for a successful ascent. And there is one other element which is even more important than your fitness level: acclimatization. Proper acclimatization to the high altitudes is critically important to the success of your climb. You can facilitate this process by sticking to a few basic rules. The most important being, choose 7-day and longer itineraries. In the description of this video, you'll find a link to another video in which I explain why shorter variations of the popular routes are not recommended. Progress at a slow pace. Ideally, your pace should be roughly half the speed of your normal day-to-day walking speed. Ensure to stay adequately hydrated throughout the entire climb by drinking 4 to 5 liters of water every day. Now this may sound like a lot, but bear in mind that at higher altitudes, your body requires more water to successfully acclimatize. And finally, get plenty of rest. Make sure you're asleep around 10 p.m. to be fully rested. If you're looking to dive deeper into the topic of acclimatization, feel free to check out our video right here. Maintaining a calm and relaxed demeanor plays a vital role too. Stress can significantly impact your physical capabilities. As you trek up Kilimanjaro, embrace the team spirit, soak in the breathtaking landscapes around you, and simply enjoy your entire journey rather than fixating only on the summit. Equipping yourself with quality gear is a game changer. It is wise to invest in hiking gear that provides excellent wind and rain protection, as well as comfortable and durable hiking boots. These elements can very well dictate whether your adventure is enjoyable or not. If buying new gear seems unnecessary for you, you can rent top-notch equipment from Altezza. Here in Kilimanjaro, we have the largest stock of branded equipment from the North Face, Black Diamond, and other renowned brands. Climbing Kilimanjaro can be challenging, but the key is you're not alone. Our professional guides are with you every step of the way, conducting regular health checks and providing all necessary assistance. Your motivation and determination combined with our support make a successful ascent and summit entirely possible. So yes, it may get tough, but we are right there with you, ensuring you can overcome each and every challenge and reach the summit successfully. Thank you for tuning into this video, and remember, we're here to provide more insights and tips on conquering Kilimanjaro. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you there.